All right, Norman's gonna show us how to line up our square on our chop saw, how to make sure it's lined up the way we need it to be. When we do these saws and you use these platforms, those things aren't always true. Even if it says it's at a 45, well, it's not always guaranteed that it's right. So we want to make sure, and what we do is he's using a square to figure it out. And what he's doing is putting the square up against the blade. Now you can push the blade out and it'll flex and move too far. So you don't want to do that, but you want to have it flush up against there. And then your gap here, you want to close in that. So that's, go ahead and hold it down, Norman, hold it down. So that's flush on that side up against the blade. Now this needs to line up to make it a 45. So right there, there's a little bit of daylight on the back side from just wear of the chop saw. But while you're holding it there and you got it square, you lock it down, and that'll assure that you're at the cut that you want to be at. Hold it down with your blade. Line it up and hold it. Let's check this one. Let's see how it came out on the 45. Turn it the other way. You got that lip there. Got that lip there. There's your 45. Let's check this one. Let's see how it came out on the 45. Turn it the other way. You got that lip there. Got that lip there.